So we go to main CSS, and we obviously, as always, go all the way to the bottom. This is going to be the end of the theme section. So we're going to create a little bit more space. And again, as always, we're going to add 2 comments. We're going to say that this is going to be a numbers section over here, section, right? And then we can just copy this line, right? And we can just say end, right? This is going to be the end of numbers section. And after that, we can actually start styling, right? So the first thing, we would want to target a ID, numbers, and we would want to add some styles to it, right? So first, we're just going to add some padding over here like this. So there's going to be 40 pixel padding. And what we're going to do over here, we're going to actually create a background image, right? So we're going to say that, as always, this is what we want to be a background. Now we're going to have to type a URL. And over here, we're going to have to pick something from images, right? So again, we go over here to a numbers, right? And we have over here numbers background, right? So right now, we're just going to add right away fixed, because we would want it to be fixed. So as we're scrolling, it has that parallax effect. And then we're going to need to repeat the same steps, right? So we're going to say background repeat, no repeat, right? No repeat. Then we're going to say the background position, right, is going to be center. And then after that, we're going to say that background size is going to be cover, right? It's pretty basic. We already, I think, doing this 3rd time, right? So we're going to say cover, right? So now we have our perfect image over here. Now, what we want to do is probably change the color of these fonts, right? So I'm going to say that color is going to be a white smoke over here like this. So now you can see how they're all stand out, right? And after that, again, what we would want to do is style these, let's say, font awesome icons, right? So we're going to say numbers over here, and we're going to say use the class font awesome. And we're going to say again that font size is going to be something like 40 pixels over here like this. And then we're going to say the color again is going to be a orange one, right? So we're just going to say that this is going to be F15025, right? So now we have everything, apart from the fact that once we actually scroll it down, we would want actually these numbers to be counting up, right? So we would need to, again, download a jQuery plugin for that. So let's go ahead and do that.